right, we're going to start up number 3. And we have all heard about APIs, right? Application Programming Interface. A connection between computers or between computers programs is a type of software interface offering a service to other pieces of software. APIs are vital. They save time. They are literally the mortar that glues the bricks on an app together. They are nothing new, but they have exploded recently. In popularity, of course, not physically, you know what I mean. The programmable web counts more than 23,000 APIs at the moment. So how on earth do we find the right ones? If only there was a single market, a hub, a place where we could showcase the best APIs, help you to manage them, connect them. Oh, dreaming. You don't have to dream because it's real. It's here. It's called Scorce. And to hear all about it, we have their CEO, Daniel España. Welcome, Daniel. Woo! Woo-hoo! Woo! Woo!
Hello, everyone. My name is Daniel España, and I'm the CEO of Scorce. I built my first fintech company in 2005. And as Elena told you, today I'm here to talk to you about APIs and why every company should be using them to improve their digital business. I am sure it has happened to all of you that you go out to a very beautiful restaurant that offers good food, but the service was terrible. And this just made the whole dining out a bad experience. And you probably won't go back to that restaurant ever again. In the case of a restaurant, the waiters are who make it possible for the food to get to the kitchen, from the kitchen to the customer in a short amount of time and in a nice and presentable way. In the digital world, the waiters are the APIs. They work in the back to make your business move faster, be more efficient, and manage more clients. Did you know that on an average, a website or an app uses more than 20 APIs? Now, imagine you need to hire 20 new waiters for your restaurant. You need to hire only the best, train them, and supervise them on a daily basis. Doing this in the digital world can get very complicated. So that's why we created Scorce, a one-stop shop for APIs, to help all companies incorporate APIs into their business in a more efficient way. And we did this by creating a marketplace of different solutions where our clients can navigate, find, test, and buy any API in just a couple of steps. And our dashboard lets them manage them all in just one place. Our mission is to help our clients save time in development, access valuable data in a safe and secure environment, and we only offer APIs that matter, that bring real value to your business. The total addressable market is huge. If we take into consideration, we can reach 3 different markets: low-code platforms, fraud prevention tools, and API gateways. Latin America is hot right now. This year, so far, the invested capital into startups has been more than $1.4 billion. And we just launched recently in Mexico, and we already have more than 15 APIs published in our marketplace. And as you can see in this graphic, in our 3rd month of operation, we are already doing better than expected. Our team is the secret sauce in Scorce. We are all visionaries with proven careers in fintech, and we all believe APIs are the future, and the future is now. We're raising our next round to do 3 things: marketing and sales, support our international expansion, and research and development to make our platform easier to use. We would love for you to join us on this adventure of helping every entrepreneur build digital services faster, cheaper, and safer. And remember, don't let your business fail because of bad waiters. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Daniel. Daniel. Distancia de seguridad. Bueno, seguridad. We've kissed it behind scenes. Anyway, no, we're all safe and sound. Daniel, I was telling Daniel he looks like Javier Peña in Narcos, you know? Not only his Miami accent, he's from Venezuela, lives in Mexico, but was raised in Miami. Is Javier Peña? It's the same, isn't it? Anyway, you have to see Narcos. Are you ready? Okay, we have a lot of questions here. Scorce, what about competition?
There's some new players in the market in Latin America. There's still not a strong one, but there's some new players doing interesting stuff. We know we can be the first reference in Latin America and then expand our services to the rest of the world. But right now, there's small players, and there's not a large player in Latin America doing this.
Okay, they will be. If it's good, they will be.
They will.
They ask you as well, how are you going to avoid clients contracting the APIs directly with the creator?
We have a great relationship with our providers. We already have 15 APIs published, and we have more than 15 APIs on waitlist to publish on our marketplace. And we have big companies that offer APIs as much as small independent developers that also offer APIs in our marketplaces. And they're really happy with our being a new channel to offer their services, and we offer the same prices as they do and some other benefits. So.
Okay, question from Andy. Hang on a second, Andy, we'll pass you a microphone. No, for the streaming. We don't forget about you guys, you see. We love you because you are there. Ooh, aplauso. The microphone is coming. Thank you so much. Thank you. If anybody else wants to raise their hand, feel free. Don't be shy. Come on, a Swiss is asking a question before the Spaniards, and then we say we're fun?
Yeah, I have to change the image a bit of the Swiss people. Right. Daniel, great pitch. Thanks very much. I would be very interested to learn more about what is your business model, actually, how you make money with these APIs. And maybe also what's the motivation of these companies who open up?
Yeah, for sure. Our business model is a two-sided marketplace model where we charge a commission to the API providers between 15 and 25% of whatever they sell on our platform. And we also offer some APIs of our own, which we make a higher commission. And we also have some new business revenue models in the near future we're working on.
Thank you.
Are you happy with that answer?
Sure.
Otherwise, he's going to be around, both Andy and Daniel, of course. There are more questions. Thank you so much for sending so many. Daniel, tell us, write to Daniel here because we have no time to answer them. There's more. I'll show them to you later. Unfortunately, if you don't give us your name, we don't know how to find you. If you want to give us an email, so Daniel or anybody can follow up with you guys. There's a lot of questions. Okay, so Daniel, there is his address, his email address. Please send him an email. And the ones here, please speak to him later. We have to go.
Thank you very much.
See you in Miami.
Bye-bye.